How to convert an Amazon gift card to Amazon Wallet. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to convert an Amazon gift card to an Amazon Wallet. If you've received an Amazon gift card either via email or shared through a link, you can easily convert it into your Amazon Pay balance. If the gift card was received by email, open the email containing your Amazon gift card and click on the button labeled Add to My Account. You'll be asked to log in to your Amazon account, and the gift card funds will automatically be added to your Amazon Pay balance. If the gift card was shared via a link, simply open the link provided and click on the Add to Account button. After logging in to your Amazon account, the gift card value will be added to your balance automatically. To manually add a gift card using the Amazon app, first, open the Amazon app on your mobile device. Tap on the Amazon Pay icon, then select Gift Cards and Vouchers from the homepage. Now choose the option to add gift card and enter the 14-digit alphanumeric code found on your gift card. Finally, tap on Add Gift Card to Balance, and the value will be added to your Amazon Pay balance. Make sure to use the correct 14-character gift card code when adding the balance. The reference ID, which is a 16-digit number, is different and should not be used in the Add Gift Card section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.